So now in this today's topic is the dashboard. I want to actually see that in this PC I'm able to get a full stuffs, okay, of this Palo Alto firewall. So for what is general information, in the general information we will getting the basic information of the like a host name, IP addresses, like a MAC address of the device, a CPU ID, UUID, and a VM license if there is any licenses, VM mode, software version. This is software version. This is the operating system 10.0.0. Okay, this is the software version we are using. Global Protect Agent. Okay, what is Global Protect Agent? It is nothing. If anyone aware of Cisco VPN, this is SSL AnyConnect VPN. Okay, so the URL filtering version. So those are the information we are getting here. Okay, so then if you see that login admin, so let's see how we can find these information by the CLI or the general information. Okay, so if you type the command show system info, show system info, if you type, you will get the same thing like host name, PA, VM. See that IP address is 192.168.1.0, public IP address, netmark, default gateway, IP assignment. These are the IP version, link address, IP version 6, default gateway, MAC address, time, everything, model, PA, VM, serial number unknown, VM, MAC address, whatever, all the same things. Okay, Global Protect client package version. Those are the details which we are able to see for the journal information by the only one command. For the command show system info, we are able to view the same things at the CLI. Okay, that's fine. And there is a one more thing, logged in admins. What is logged in admins? Okay, those things you should have known that. It means admin, it means what? Who is admin? Like administrator. So whatever the administrator, like we are the administrator, whoever log into the device, those information we are getting here. See that the user here we can able to see the username. Like if anyone has a with the name of here actually username is admin, but someone we create the username with your name like Manpreet suppose, and some other name is some other thing. So we will able to view the username here who has logged in. Okay, who has currently logged into the device, and we can see from where. So we can see that this is the PC. This is the IP address of my PC. Okay, 192.168.1.1. So this is the IP address of my PC. So it also provides the IP address of the PC and how you are logging. Client is web. It means GUI. We have login by the GUI web client. Here is the console access. We can see that the same username is admin, console access CLI. When session is start, the timing, everything, we can get all the details here. And how we can see the details at the CLI? We can just type show admins. If you type the show admin, you are able to see the same admin. Now this star, what is the meaning of a star button? Star, it means you are in, that time we are in the console. We are in the console, right? So that's why you are able to see the. So right now, let's go to the PC. Let's open I want to access. I want to again try to access by putty. Okay, 192.168.1.100. What information we will see actually at the logged in admin? Right, admin. Just 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have logged in by the CLI as well. Even I can check here also those things. Look command. Okay, like even if I check with the show admin here, so we can view three login. Okay, 3 details. Okay, one is from the admin, one is from the web, one is for CLI, but console. Okay, the other one is CLI. Okay, CLI means SSH with the PC name also 192.168.1.1. So those information who have logged into the device, if I refresh, if I up arrow and check in the console, we can able to see the all 3 details. Okay, even just cancel, minimize it, and GUI. Let's go to the GUI. There is still showing 2. Let me refresh it. See that there is a 3. It means one is from the web, 2 is from the CLI. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, if you want to see the logs, system logs. Okay, so those information. What is the information it is showing? That username admin logged in via. But whoever is this is a system logs. Like if anyone have logged in. Okay, this guy has logged in by the using HTTPS. Those this is authenticated for the user admin. Auto commit, someone has committed. Okay, Those things, whenever you commit any or do any changes, those kind of logs we can find here at the system logs. So how we can see the logs here? Show log, just type show log system. Same stuff, the same thing. Show log system. We can able to get the all the logs. Okay, when anyone Ethernet port, whatever the same logs details we can find it here. But actually there is a lots of other stuffs or logs are coming. Better to watch at the system logs. Actually these are auto generated. If you refresh it, we can get the lots of other different fail to check the IoT content, whatever it is, it's still coming. It's a system log generated. Those with the command show log system, we will able to view those things, the same information. Okay, let's come below. So there is the system resources. What is system resources? System resources is nothing, like I explained already, the data plane and other one is control plane. Bring it. So management CPU here is showing that my management has a 3% CPU. Management CPU is a control plane. Let me refresh it. Okay, we can see that the management CPU is 20%, but still 80% is available. Data plane CPU, there is nothing is there is no packet is transferring because no packet is going through. So this is it means we have a separate management CPU, separate data plane CPU. So those are the information we can simply able to view at from your dashboard. The same if I want to view. Go to the okay. Show system resource. So these are the information we can able to see for the control plane. Show run resource monitor. If you type, so how much CPU load is there? So those are the information actually we are going to get with this command. The same one actually. Here it is, we are able to get all the packet and buffer information. There is only showing for the percentage there. So those are the information we are able to view. So these are actually these are the applications we are able to view from the dashboard. If you see here, admin, see that. So who has logged into this device? Those username details we are able to see from the here actually admin. If you want to log out from the device, you can log out from this option. See that log out option. Okay. Last login. So whoever is last login, those information we are able to see that here. Session expired time. So those, if your session is ideal, it will show you when this session is going to be expired. So those information we are able to see here. Okay. Next is, if you come to the task, what is task? If I click on it, what is task actually? So if you do a commit, come here. If you do a commit, okay, like there is nothing it, but if you do a commit and commit is going on, it's taking time for 100% for completing the completed it successfully. It will take time actually. So if you close this window, so how we can view it? Go to the task, click on the task, and at the task we can able to see everything when the how much percentage is actually completed and what are the others committed, when who is the user has committed those changes. Those all information we are able to see at task manager. Let me close it. So those are the information. Even there is a language. If you want to change the language, you can do it. Okay, like it's a English. If you want to go for some other language, you can do actually. So those are everything. These are the options we can able to view here. Okay, like if you see that PAVM, this is logo actually. Okay, if you want to, like in your office, your company would say, I want to change this logo and I want my company logo. Can we change that? Yes. How? Let me explain. We have to go to the device. Okay, at the device and go to the setup and go to the operation. If you go to the operation, just check for custom logo. See that custom logo. Click on custom logo. Okay, and there login screen, main UI, report, PDF. So I want to change at the upload logo. Click on it and okay. Okay. In this actually, I have logged in from this. I have taken the logo in my PC. It's not. Anyway, so there is a no logo actually. I in this actually. Let me open. There is any kind of logo in documents, videos, pictures, or pictures. Anyway, so if you have a logo, if your company, you just upload. Try to just click on it, upload it. It will come up here. I don't have a logo here actually. Okay, it will come up here. VAVM. Okay, there it will come. So these are the way you can able to work on the dashboard board. Those are the things. I think hope for this all page everything is clear. Nothing is there is anything. It is actually this is a lock. If you lock it means if you want to lock it, if you click on it, so what would happen? Admin, I want to take a lock. If you lock it, no one can edit it. Like if you're editing something, you are working on this device and you are changing, creating any policies or adding any routing, and you want that you don't want that any other your friends or colleague will log into the same firewall and start editing actually. So you don't want to do that. You just take a lock. If you lock it, okay, commit in anything, so it will not allowed other guys to do a right stuffs. Okay, it means they are not able to actually commit the changes. They will not able to do. Okay, those things you can do it. This is actually, yeah, save changes, revert changes. Like if you change made any changes, you just save the changes. Save changes and revert changes. Like save changes is what you have created any policies, but you don't want to commit it. You don't want to actually commit. You just save it. Just want to save it. You just save the changes. And if you want to revert the changes, those things I will explain when the stuffs would come. Like we can revert changes, everything come to a device. There are things are there. So when the backup topic would come, I will explain how to take a backup, how to take a export, import. Those things I will cover later. So everything I have explained about this dashboard. Okay, so I hope this is all cleared. Nothing else. Okay. So now next I want to go to the explain to the network. So come to the network device. What is network? I want to explain some interfaces and zones. So before going through, I want to explain you guys what is zone, okay, and what is a network. So see, this is my firewall, okay, and make sure my Palo Alto firewall is actually a zone-based firewall. Zone-based firewall. What is zone-based? Zone-based is actually it is dedicated zone which is defined like inside. I just given the name inside. So inside it means it is trusted. Like our trusted employee are sitting there. Okay, LAN network. LAN network is called inside or trusted. Outside is actually use which is connected with the internet. Okay, and this is suppose DMG. What is DMG? I explained already. Demilitarized zone, which there would be some server is actually getting access from the internet. So what is zone based? So zone based is it means what? Like if from the inside zone to outside zone, if any traffic is going, so it will be my firewall will there is a lots of granularity is there. Like while creating a security policy, we have to be defined. It is my firewall will not only work for the source IP and destination IP. Okay, we need to also define this source is belongs to which zone. Okay, that need to be defined. If like there is a policy, I need to create like source IP 10.0.0.1 going for want to access destination 1.1.1.1 and port number whatever 443. So we will not create a policy like just allows this IP to this IP to 443. It will not like this in this Palo Alto firewall. We have to be defined from which zone this source is belong. So like suppose if zone belongs to source IP belongs to inside zone, we have to be defined like this in the Palo Alto firewall. Source zone. Source zone. What is my source zone? I need to define inside. Whatever it is, wherever this IP is belongs. I will explain later on how to create a zone. Okay. Okay. Just try to understand. And where is destination zone? Destination zone could be outside. Suppose outside. So that's how we are defined. Source zone is inside, destination zone is outside, and then we can mention source IP. Source IP is 10.0.0.1. And then we can mention destination IP. Destination IP is 1.1.1.1. Then we can mention port number, application, then action, allowed or denied, whatever it is. So that's how actually there it is. This one is more specific for the security. So that's why Palo Alto Firewall is zone based to provide us some more intelligence into the security. Okay.